Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to gift Snapchat Plus subscription to someone. So make sure to watch this video till the very end if you want to know how to do it. For that, first you need to have Snapchat Plus subscription yourself. Go ahead and open up your Snapchat application in your mobile device and then log in to your account. Once logged in, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Inside here, simply tap on your settings like icon at the top right corner. Inside settings, you'll then be able to find an option that says Snapchat Plus. Go ahead and tap onto it, and just like that, tap on Snapchat Plus Gifts. Select the person you would like to gift the Snapchat Plus to, and then tap on Gift Snapchat Plus. You can choose to give them 12-month subscription for $49 or so. Then tap on Gift Snapchat Plus, and then go ahead and tap on OK. And just like that, go ahead and enter your payment details like your debit or credit card and then confirm your payment. Once you have completed your payment, the gift will be sent to the recipient and they just need to refresh the app, and then the Snapchat Plus will be automatically activated. Well, that's it guys, you have successfully gifted a Snapchat Plus subscription. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.